Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cesa Fajar Prasetya. I am from class 10 TKJ1. Here I will explain how to assemble a PC. Steps to assemble a PC. Stage 1 is installing the processor to the motherboard. Before the motherboard is installed into the casing, first install the processor because it will be easier to install it. Here's how to install the processor to the motherboard. Number 1. First, we determine the position of pin 1 on the processor and the processor socket on the motherboard, usually located in the corner marked with a dot or do. Step 2 is installing the heatsink and fan. To install the heatsink and fan on the motherboard, follow these steps. Number 1. Install the heatsink and cooling fan on top of the processor. When installing, it must be present diagonally or crossways. Number 2. Install the fan connector into the existing socket. Try not to put the fan cable too close to the socket, but also not too far from the socket. Steps 3. Installing the motherboard in the case. The motherboard is attached to the case with screws and spacers. To mount the motherboard in the case, follow these steps. Number 1. Determine the position of the holes for each plastic and metal speakers. The holes for the metal speakers or metal speakers are marked with rings on the edge of the holes. Number 2. Install the metal or plastic speakers on the case tray according to the position of each corresponding speaker hole on the motherboard. Step 4. Installing RAM or memory. How to install RAM or memory is to first open the locking lever, then adjust the memory pins with the slots on the computer. Once it fits properly, just press the memory until the lock closes itself. Step 5. Installing the power supply. Power supply is a device that supplies electrical power to all components in a computer system unit. Usually when we buy a casing, the power supply is already installed. However, if the power supply is not installed, here's how to install it. Number 1. Place the power supply in the correct position in it. Place behind the casing and lock it with screws. Number 2. Attach the power connector and power supply to the motherboard along with the cable. Install the connector cable from the power supply at the end of the assembly process. Step 6. Installing the motherboard and casing cables. A casing is a box or place where the processor or CPU, motherboard, and other devices are located. To install the motherboard and casing cables, follow these steps. Number 1. Attach the primary and secondary connector cables to motherboard. Number 2. For non-ATX motherboard, attach the serial and parallel port cables to the connector on the motherboard. Number 2. On the back of the casing there is a hole for installing additional non-slot parts. Open the locking screw of the closed port hole plate, then insert the connector port you want to install and reinstall the screw. Number 3. Connect the mouse and keyboard connector cables to the motherboard. Number 4. Connector. Other connector cables such as LEDs, internal speakers, and port available on the computer case. Number 5. For this process, do it very carefully and thoroughly. Do not make any mistakes when installing these cables. Step 7. Installing the drive. To install a drive such as a hard disk, CD-ROM, or DVD-ROM, here's how. Number 1. Insert the drive from the front of the case. Number 2. First, set the jumper configuration as master or slave on the drive, then install the script so that the drive does not come lost. Number 3. Connect the either cable connector to the drive and the connector on the motherboard. The primary connector is used first. Number 4. If the either cable is connected to drive, set the jumper or the first drive is set as a max and the other a slave. Step 8. Installing the adapter card. The adapter cards that are usually installed are source, video card, modem, and SCSI adapter. The installation method is to insert the adapter card into the slot provided on the motherboard, then press until the connector is completely inserted, then provide script as card holder. The final stage of computer assembly. When all the steps of computer assembly are complete, then cover it with the casing and provide scripts. Connect the cable from the power supply to the wall socket and connect the monitor connector to the video card port, the keyboard cable connector, and the mouse connector to the mouse port. That's all my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.